I was freshly out of college. I had just graduated in April, and so I had that period of time. I was free, I had time, and then I heard of it and just gave it a shot.
Before this course, I have gone through. I was working with a company called CAMSAT as a technician, field technician. So when I got this opportunity, it was on my time, and very happy to join the academy to gain more knowledge.
Helby and Frederick were among 48 graduates of the Connect Academy, a collaboration between Safaricom and the ICT Authority designed to meet Kenya's increasing need for skilled fibre-optic and fixed wireless technicians. The need for this kind of training has been evident in the industry, which has been eager to get more skilled personnel in the market.
We require industry, government and academia collaboration in order to be able to have the right number of people with the right digital skills. So Safaricom, having come up with this Connect Academy, was quite a brilliant idea because it contributes to the numbers that are required to push this country forward in terms of digital economy. So partnering with Safaricom, who is an industry leader in the ICT sector, is quite a valuable, phenomenal kind of concept in the market.
We strongly believe that we are only at the beginning of the deployment of fiber in Kenya and in Africa more generally. So there is a huge gap and a huge demand of skilled personnel. So this initiative is exactly what we need, and we actually need to scale and to do even more people.
Already, most of the 48 graduates have secured jobs, with those who are already working now positioned to be leaders.
Among the students, we had who were already technicians with our partners. We had some of them who are not yet employed. So I'm glad to actually report that we have several who joined our partners as technicians. And those who are already technicians, I can tell you their performance has really improved because now they got better knowledge and better understanding of how to do their work. And for those who are not yet employed, they got work with Visca. Now they get a chance to work with Safaricom in the fixed network space. And then we have a number that was taken by our partners as technicians and other roles.
Beyond the deployment of fiber, the students were also trained on how they can secure their futures by managing their money properly.
The most challenging part of the finance part, how to manage your finances. And now that's the most part I have now grasped. That's the best part so far, where I know how to plan for my finances. Probably when you get an emergency, you'll be able to sort it out. Probably when you get a requirement, when you are planning for your finances, you'll have something to still push you in your life.
Today's graduation means a milestone to me because I actually started up on something that I didn't know how it will end, and I followed up to it up to the end. And now I have a placement because of the certificate. That means employment and a source of income.
I know now how to work in this field of customer management, and so moreover, it's one way of me getting greener pasture, or probably a promotion, or probably maybe salary increment. You see, now the Connect Academy, it has taught me more, which will make my life be different in the future.